Now we're going to design and simulate a circuit using two three-way switch, one AC source, and one lamp. Now we're going to start. Now we need to get a AC source, one AC source, and also we need a switch, the three-way switch. We need two three-way switches and a one lamp. Now we're going to start aligning them. This one, we're going to connect the current one to the positive of the AC source, and we're going to connect also the current 3 to wait, here. Connect here, and the current to them, and the current one of the switch one, we're going to connect into the lamp, and we're going to put a ground and in the source also. Sumobra na eh. Okay, and we're going to change the volt into 120. Okay, alright. Now we're going to this one. Now we're going to run. As you can see, the lamp is lightened because they are not connected, but we're going to switch, uh, switch the toggle here. Right, lamp siga ang suga, and also we can turn off the light here in the switch too. We can also turn on and also turn off, and we can turn on the lights in the switch one, and we can also turn off it in the switch one also. All right, our lamp is good. Thank you.